In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the cache on Discord. So in order to do this, you need to go out of the Discord app and then go onto the settings app within your phone. So I'm going to open up settings, and I'm on an Android device, so you can just follow along with me if you have an Android device. So what you need to do now is you need to scroll down until you find the option that says apps. So it says apps right over here. Then you'll be on the apps page, and then you just need to find Discord. So I'll find it real quick. And here it is right here. Just tap on the Discord app. And then you want to scroll down, and then you'll find the option that says storage right there. Tap on storage. And you can see here I have 238 megabytes of cache, and all I need to do to clear that is to tap on this button right here that says clear cache. And then you can see it goes down to 0 bytes, and now the cache has been cleared. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.